Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 5. This is the lower Prakriti. Different from it, know thou, O mighty armed, my higher Prakriti, the very life element by which this world is upheld.
Chapter 7, Shloka 5. Apareyam itastvanyam prakritim viddhi me param jiva bodham mahabhago yayedam dharyate jagat.
Chapter 7, Shloka 5. In this shloka, the higher nature is explained. The self has two natures, the higher nature and the lower nature. The lower nature was described constituted of the eightfold Prakriti or matter as five great elements or senses, the mind, intellect and ego. The higher nature is constituted of pure consciousness or awareness. This is the spiritual entity that makes it possible for the inert body, mind and intellect to act as vitally sentient and intelligent. It is because of this spiritual factor that the inert lower nature can function. Without this consciousness, we cannot know the world within and without us. We will be no more intelligent or divine than the stone which doesn't know itself or others. The entire world of change is ultimately supported by the spiritual entity, as only when the consciousness enlivens the intellect, we have the concept of space in which the whole universe consisting of names and forms stay. It supports the entire world of change, Jagat, constituting of the world of objects, the world of emotions, and the world of ideas that we experience. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.